The old ceiling fan hung silently, a forgotten relic in the heart of the bustling living room. Below, the chatter of an Indian family filled the warm air, their faces glistening in the afternoon heat as they fanned themselves with newspapers and books. The fan, once a source of comfort, now just a decorative piece, had long since given up its spin. It was a silent witness to generations of stories, laughter, and shared meals, but its stillness was a constant reminder of the oppressive warmth. With a determined look, Raj spread an old cotton cloth on the mosaic floor, creating a makeshift workshop amidst the daily life of his home. His grandmother watched from her armchair, a gentle smile on her face, while curious younger cousins gathered around. Carefully, he began to dismantle the fan, each screw and blade handled with a sense of purpose. The heavy motor housing came down, followed by the dusty, ornate blades, each piece laid out methodically as his family watched, a silent audience to his focused task. The restoration unfolded right there in the living room, a performance of patience and skill. Close-up shots would capture Raj's hands, steady and sure, as he cleaned decades of grime from the brass fittings until they gleamed. He meticulously rewired the motor, replacing worn-out components with new ones. The old, faded paint on the blades was gently sanded away and replaced with a fresh coat of rich, dark brown, transforming the dull metal into something beautiful and new again. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows across the room, the reassembly began. Each restored piece was put back together with precision, the whir of the screwdriver blending with the evening sounds of the household. His father offered a helping hand, holding the heavy motor as Raj secured it back in its housing. It was a quiet collaboration, a passing of knowledge and a shared effort to bring comfort back to their home. Finally, the restored fan was mounted back in its rightful place on the ceiling. All eyes turned upward as Raj finished the installation. A small child lifted onto her father's shoulders, reached up and flipped the switch. After a moment's pause, the blades began to turn, slowly at first, then picking up speed. A collective sigh of relief and joy filled the room as a cool breeze swept over them. The family looked up, their faces breaking into wide smiles, united in the simple pleasure of a cool, spinning fan.